By Rosie Jane is a Los Angeles-based fragrance, beauty, and lifestyle brand. In 2010, I launched my first fragrance and By Rosie Jane was born. As a mother of 3, I have a passion for simplicity and easy-to-wear products. I believe that fragrance is your most important accessory, so I create beautiful, clean products that can be easily incorporated into your everyday life. By Rosie Jane products are created with integrity and authenticity. With By Rosie Jane, you're choosing recycled packaging, no single-use plastics, and 100% ingredient transparency. We never use parabens, phthalates, hormone interrupters, or animal byproducts, and we don't test on animals. At By Rosie Jane, we use naturals, essential oils, absolutes, and safe, clean ingredients. From growing up in Australia to raising my kids in Los Angeles, the simplicity of nature, the emotion of memory, and the beauty in everyday are what inspire me and the products I create. This is my everyday. This is By Rosie Jane.